Okay, so let's check out this one bedroom, one bath with a working space. And again, everything's facial recognition, or in this case, it is Pascal. Close your eyes. There you go. One bedroom, one bath. It's a good size place, and that's why one of the reasons why this place is going to be more expensive than the 2, 3, 4-year, 5-year-old buildings that are on the other side. So there's two reasons this is more expensive. The size of it, three reasons. The size of it, you can see it's quite wide for modern apartments, and the proximity to the mall, which is, come out here, you can see it, it's literally right there. Now, most people don't care about that, but for Vietnamese people, it means they don't have to stay in the sun very long, and they hate the sun because they want skin. It's not good for their health, but they care, especially the women. The guys really don't care as much, for sure. So you can see a huge swimming pool. There's some people down there using it. Wow. And a couple of different playgrounds. That's a water playground for the kids below us, and then there's a regular dry place. Bunch of lounge chairs for people who want a tan. Over on the other side is a great walking park. This is such a walkable area of Vinhomes Grand Park. You can kind of see, you can walk over there. That's all villas. Those are about $1 million USD to 2 million, depending on the size. There's a golf range over there, and this is all the new modern, the most modern. It has built-in, so you got the wide. Comes with this unit comes with all the brand new cookware. I'm the first person, no, second person to stay in here. My buddy Leighton was in here before. You can check out the bathroom. Good size, shower, the weight scale. Uh, so it's like, you know, it's not super, super luxury with the Japanese toilets. And the quality of some of the stuff in these buildings is so, but a lot of it's quite nice also. So it's very comfortable, and this comes well equipped, and more storage space than you're going to need unless you're going to bring over like 5 or 6 pieces of luggage. So this would be okay for a couple. Also, there's a working desk here. Needs a little bit of artwork, but you can customize it. And look at the price here. Come on here in the bedroom. Again, lots of storage space over here. You've got upper, lower, lots of places to store stuff. Also up there, the bed is really good quality mattress. The linens are really nice. The comforter is good quality. So they did a good job here. This is another one of my ex-girlfriend's old places. So this place, she's renting to me. It's about 17 or 18 million a month total with all the bills. So 17, 18 million is about around $750 a month. You might want to check on that, but you get the idea. So you can go to the other side, which I've lived in before, for one bedroom, and you can get that for almost half off. So you can definitely under $400, 350 for a one bedroom over there. It won't be as big. It won't have the working space. It won't be as close to the mall, but still very nice, great place to live. Still have access to beautiful, huge swimming pools, tennis courts, badminton courts, pickleball courts. So yeah, it's a great community. You've got a water park if you got kids, lots of schools over there. In Holmes Grand Park. There you go. Now you know. Oh, one more thing. It is located, it's about 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes, depending on traffic, from the center of Ho Chi Minh. So it is a bit far, but it's very quiet and peaceful out here. A little bit more family oriented, but there's certainly females to date out here, way more than you're going to find in Da Nang. So yeah, there's that part too. Good. It's up with Vietnamese girls, it's all about being in one place. They want to see stability throughout your life, as in being in one place, have a stable job, that sort of thing. That's what they're attracted to. Not so much your looks. Of course, it's good to be healthy and exercise and stay thin, but you don't have to work out and have big muscles or anything, which is much more popular with Thai girls than it is Vietnamese girls. So yeah, it can almost be a drawback in Vietnam, but in Thailand, it's a bonus. Okay, there you go. All right.